If we look at the issue of Tahrir, it is really something very unfortunate, something very sad. When you look at the young generation and the youth, just they are risking their lives. They are risking their lives because they think that they can reach Europe and that they can get a better opportunity, while things are not like that. It's an illusion because, to start with, when they try to leave Somalia and go to Europe, it's not just that you walk from Somalia and reach Europe. It is risking their lives, going through difficulties, going through the ocean, through the sea. And we have seen how many lives are gone. We have seen how many young people were dead trying to pass the sea and go to Europe. So they are looking for opportunity. But even if you are looking for opportunity, it's not wise to risk your life. Yes, I know Somalia is a difficult place. It's a country, very fragile country, post-conflict, but still there are opportunities in Somalia. So I would like to advise the youth not to risk their lives. It's not worth. Believe me, it's not worth risking your lives. The grass is not greener at the other side. It's just the same. Even Europe now is fed up of refugees. Even the ones who made it, who crossed the sea after difficulties and reached Europe, they are living in a very miserable situation because even Europe is fed up of refugees. So my advice is seek opportunity in Somalia, in our countries. Do whatever you can do, but don't risk your life.